Welcome home. Must be nice to pop in as and how you like. All this. Glad you noticed, baby. Here I thought you were blind too. So I come home early. For you. I start cooking dinner. For you. I set the table, the candles, and drinks, and everything is perfect. For you. And then I waited. And waited. And waited. And I continued to wait until all the candles had burned out, just for you to come home with that stupid look on your face. Where were you? Fantastic. Then why didn't you send me a text? Was it really so much effort to text? Hey, babe. I'm a little caught up right now. Don't wait up for me. You don't want to fight with me. And I'm sure you don't. We wouldn't want to crack a glass over your face again, would we? It was an accident. But we don't want another one, do we? It'd be such a shame. You look good. Love the outfit. Hang on. Let me fix your collar. That's better. You know, you haven't dressed like this for me in a while. Just an observation. Here I am playing the good little wife. And here you are, being an ungrateful. Oh, you're not ungrateful. Then where's my thank you? Thank you for the effort I put into making a date night for us. My thank you for always putting in the effort in this relationship, even when you go out of your way to be selfish. My thank you for being the only person who actually loves you. I guess being with you is a thankless job after all. But I get it. I do. It's my fault. I shouldn't have wasted all this effort. I shouldn't fight for our relationship because you'll be right here to do everything in your power to ruin everything. Won't you, baby? The food's cold. I've lost my appetite. Might as well make yourself useful and clean this up after me. I'm going out. Move. Same place you did. To get caught up in something. Or someone. Who knows?